Cheung Fun I made over here. Check that out. Wow. I used the whole packet of 500 grams and it made about, looks about 10 to 15 rice rolls here. Hi guys, today I'm making steamed rice rolls. So in the Chinese supermarket I found this already made powdered rice roll for steamed rice rolls here. Let's check this out. So the instructions say for every 100 grams you must add in 250 grams of water and then a splash of oil, and then we're gonna steam it for about 2 to 5 minutes. So yeah, let me just make some of this and let's make some steam rolls. Okay, over here I got some warm water. I'm going to add in 250 mils. And then the steamed rice roll powder already made. And they say must add in 100 grams. Okay, let's get a whisk and just whisk this up. I'm not going to add no oil since the packaging didn't say it requires any oil. It only requires oil once you are oiling the steaming pan. I know like for steamed rice rolls basically you use rice flour, potato starch and corn flour to make steamed rice rolls, but this is already made. It could be better, we'll see. You also get yourself a little scoop here. I already have a homemade prepared minced pork over here that I'm making with today. And I've got my oil with my brush. And I also got I got 2 of those mooncake tin pans over here. I'm gonna be using this. Okay, let's boil some water in a wok and let's make this steamed rice roll, Cheung Fun. Okay guys, so I steamed a wok of water over here with just a quarter bit of water, and I also put like a steel rack to hold the mooncake trays. Okay, so here's the batter over here. You can see you need the whisk just to whisk it back up, or else the flour falls back down under the water. Okay, here I got my mooncake tray. Got some olive oil here with a brush. Let's go brush the pan. Olive oil. Okay, I hope this recipe works. Okay, let's add a scoop of this steamed rice roll. Okay, let's add in some pork. Toppings of your choice. Add in a thin layer of pork over here. Okay, check this out. Something like this. Okay, let's open our wok and put this in to steam for 3 to 5 minutes. Put on our lid and just steam it. Put on high heat, steam it for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's been like just 2 minutes or so. You can see it's starting to bubbling up, just like Cheung Fun. Maybe it's about 3 minutes. Should be ready. But because we put on some pork, we have to steam this for about 5 minutes. If you're adding just shrimp or some veggies or something, 3 minutes will be okay. But now you're adding in pork meat, so you have to steam this for about 5 minutes. While that is steaming, we get our second tray and we make our second tray to put into the steamer once this tray is done. Okay guys, it has been about 5 minutes. Let's take this out, turn down the heat. Wow. Okay. Okay, while that's cooling off, we're gonna put in our next tray. Good. Okay guys, let's check this out. Got this little tool here. I'm just gonna oil it. A little brush of oil. Okay, let's see how this works. Hey guys, I do see like a little peel here. I think the sides we have to cut it out first. Not bad guys, not bad. Not bad, looks almost like restaurant style, almost. Okay, let's prepare our other pan, our next pan here. Okay, so I'm gonna be just doing the same procedure until it's finished. We'll see how many steamed rice rolls we can make with 100 grams. Scoop this on. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, guys. Quick and easy, simple steamed rice roll powder that you can buy in your supermarkets. I just use that brand. I don't know how many other brands there are. You can check that out. But check that out using this brand. Okay guys, so this is my last. And check all the Cheung Fun I made over here. Check that out. Wow. I used the whole packet of 500 grams and it made about, it looks about 10 to 15 rice rolls here. I use pork, so it's pork rice rolls here. Check at that. It's my last two over here. Nice. Just found my quick procedure that I do. My last tray, guys. Guys, if you like this easy method recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can comment down on this video below. Okay, it's the last. Nice guys, check that out. Okay, gonna get some good soy sauce or whatever sauce you like with your Cheung Fun over here. And yeah, make yourself some easy Cheung Fun at home. Okay, please don't forget to give this video a good thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching.